Hey guys, today we're at 707 Tivoli Street in San Leandro, California. This is a single family home with 6 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,814 square feet. Come on, let's check it out. Upon entrance, you are greeted with a gorgeous imported crystal chandelier hanging from 20-foot high ceilings, creating a sense of elegance and luxury. You have cherry hardwood floors. Comes with a full bedroom and full bathroom on the lower level, perfect for entertaining guests. A formal dining room next to your kitchen and open to your living room. An upgraded kitchen with quartz countertops and new stainless steel appliances. Cozy open family room with a fireplace. Comes with a serene, low-maintenance backyard, perfect for someone who's into gardening and entertaining. This home also comes with a 2-car garage and extra storage closets downstairs. Upstairs comes with an additional 5 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Here we have bedroom number 1 upstairs and bedroom number 2. Full bathroom with a tub and dual sinks. Bedroom number 3 upstairs. Bedroom number 4. Its own laundry room, washer and dryer, and extra storage. And now for our large master bedroom with plenty of space for a small office. Open to the master bath. Comes with dual sinks, a sunken tub, along with a standalone shower. Walk-in closet number 1. Closed off bathroom. And your walk-in closet number 2. All right, guys, that wraps up today's tour. If you guys like this property, have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box. Otherwise, follow me on social media, check out my website, chrisleeluna.com, and we'll see you again next time.